Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel The Yogic Life. Schools and college going students, they may have youth in their sight, but that does not mean they are spared from the stresses and pressures of life. So in this video, let's talk about the role of yoga in students' life. Sitting at a desk for hours a day, going back home and poring over books to finish daily homeworks, assignments and participating in various extracurricular activities, etc. all cause the body and mind tense up. Yoga that works on almost every new age predicament such as obesity, depression, diabetes and panic attacks is not a solution only for grown-ups but also for young children and can help them lead a better lifestyle as they grow up. Here are some of the benefits of yoga in students' life. Reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga helps them to deal with their stress and bring back some peace of mind. Those who regularly practice yoga not only report lower level of stress and anxiety and subsequently improved academic performance. Improves memory and attention span. Yoga helps to improve the memory function in both adults and children, a direct benefit of which would be a better academic performance in children. It also helps to improve children's attention span and focus. Improves flexibility, balance and posture. Sitting down to study for long hours at a time and too much screen time can lead to incorrect posture. This poor posture in childhood can develop into major anatomy complications in adult life. The practice of various asanas on a regular basis leads to correction of postures, enhance flexibility and improves balance as it brings equilibrium to the whole body. Teaches correct breathing techniques. Breathing is fundamental to life and how we breathe is directly related to our overall well-being. Good breathing affects our movement, our posture and our ability to handle stress in a positive way. Through pranayama and other breathing exercise in yoga, students can learn at a young age how to master the techniques of breathing correctly and improve the quality of their life. Helps to bring peace of mind. They deal with many other extracurricular activities and social life as well. By practicing pranayama and mindfulness, students really learn how to handle the anxiety and manage the different aspects of life effectively. Boosts immunity and improves physical appearance. Yoga boosts immunity and prevents attacks from different viruses and bacteria by increasing the levels of antibodies. Yoga promotes blood circulation which can work wonders for the skin, hair and nails. Improves the quality of sleep. Children should sleep for up to 7 to 8 hours each night. A good night's sleep allows the body to be healthy, ready and energetic for the next day. As yoga allows the body and the mind to relax, practitioners notice a better quality in their sleep. With better sleep, children can focus better in class, play more activity and perform better at examination. Yoga is a practice that helps us rebalance our energy and balance the mind, body and soul. It is recommended to do yoga to increase concentration and memory power as it helps to build a muscle-mind connection. Yoga is a beneficial and effective for everyone and practicing yoga daily has multiple health benefits. Performing yoga helps to build a better connection between mind and body. It calms your mind and enhances your cognitive power which results in better attention, recalling power, beating anxiety and tracking backward focus. This is all about the role of yoga in students' life. If you have any doubt or question about this topic, you can ask in comment box. Thank you. Namaste.